What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Finally, we're gonna do something to the F80 today, guys. Today will be like the first mod for the car. It's a small mod, nothing too crazy, but it's something that's like I'm gonna be able to see every single day. We're actually gonna do the full screen CarPlay. Look, there's my boy Erez right now. Erez is the homie with the M4 convertible. You guys have seen it in my vlogs before. He had an E93 convertible, then he had an M4 convertible. I believe he had an M5 at one point. He's had a lot of cars. He also has the big X5, I believe. A lot of BMWs, obviously. But he's like the BMW genius, guys. And he has the whole software and everything to be able to give you full screen CarPlay. So this is gonna be cool for those of you that have F80s or M4s or any BMW actually. He can get you a full screen CarPlay, update all your software. He can also do like a bunch of tuning, such as like transmission tunes and stuff like that. Look, supercar suspects too. Anyways, we're about to meet up with Erez right now. And like I said, he's gonna do the first mod to the F80. We're gonna do full screen CarPlay, and I think he has a couple other little surprises for me. I'll let him explain because he knows more than I do, and also things to help the car drive better too. So I'm excited. I know he's able to do like transmission tunes on like DCT cars, so I'm curious to see what he can do with this. I think he can just tune like the diff and stuff like that. Again, I'll let him explain it, but first mod for the F80. Tomorrow we're actually doing window tint for the car. I know a lot of people actually like the fishbowl look. I like it too. It's pretty clean. Like from the outside look, it looks really clean. But for me, I don't like people looking in here, guys. I'm vlogging while driving and people look at me like I'm crazy, bro. So I'm gonna tint the car super dark, all black, because I don't want people looking at me in here. Sometimes people record my car on the freeway and you just see me in here looking weird. So tomorrow we're tinting the windows. Today we're doing a little bit of coating for the car, so let's do it. Yeah, I'm really excited to see the full screen CarPlay, guys. As you guys can see, it's only half. Literally only this much is CarPlay, but he's about to do it where you can have the whole screen CarPlay, so the whole thing will be the maps and everything like that. It's gonna be cool. Erez, you like it?
Yeah, congrats.
Let me get out real quick. Finally on. Erez?
Congratulations,
I know,
my G.
thank you.
Wow.
It's clean on.
Oh my God, bro, it's beautiful.
It looks sick, bro. Look at that.
With the GTS hood.
Yeah, it has a GTS hood. It has coilovers and wheels. That's it.
And you have carbon fiber over here on the upper bumper.
You like that or no?
I like it, yeah.
I don't know. I wasn't a big fan of those little vents, but they look cool.
I like it, bro. The fitment is...
Oh, shit, look at that. Woo. What the? What's up, bro? That's crazy.
I like the GTS hood, too.
I love the hood, bro. It's like yours.
Yeah.
Where's yours at?
Inside the garage.
For real?
Yeah.
We can see it or no?
Yeah.
Let's go look at it real quick. Should we?
Yeah.
Before we leave?
Yeah.
Alright guys, Erez is gonna go get his car real quick. He's not gonna bring it with us, he's gonna come with me. We're gonna go around the block and film a cool little video, and he'll do the little tuning there. But he's gonna bring his car out so we can see them side by side. I want you guys to see his M4. I was gonna call it M4 CS, but you'll see, he pretty much converted it to a full CS everything on that car. Very, very expensive to do that. He did the CS wheels, CS hood, a bunch of other stuff you guys will see right now. But how are you guys liking the BMW content, guys? We've been with the BMW homies almost every single day this week. Giving the GTR a little break, even though it's broken right now, but the GTR is gonna come back soon, guys, don't worry. I can't wait till I have both my GTR and the F80 next to each other and have a little photo shoot with both cars. Maybe take them both to a car meet one day so you guys can see them. And even possibly wrap them both the same color. That's what I really wanna do. You know what I've never understood? How do motorcycles get away with loud exhaust, but cars can't? I just thought of that right now. See those loud ass Harley Davidson bikes, and they don't get no state revs, but us, we gotta be careful with what we drive and valved exhaust and state revs. Those bikes are louder than our cars, literally. Bro, it sounds like a beast is about to come out. Can you guys hear it? Damn. Bro, why does it sound like that? Sheesh. So yeah, this is Erez's M4, guys, convertible. As you can see, he has the CS hood. I'll let him talk about it real quick. Tell me what's done to this thing. Bro, has hella mods on.
Everything. So we got the front mount intakes by VRSF, CS slip. This entire car is CS, so we have the CS slip, we have the CS upper carbon fiber trim, yellow DRLs, icon headlights, carbon fiber eyebrows, CS hood, carbon fiber side markers, we have the carbon fiber
and carbon ceramics?
Carbon ceramics retrofitted.
Bro, how much money have you spent on this shit?
50th anniversary sticker caps.
And then the engine. The engine. We're not there yet.
Okay, after. So full coilovers by reaction with the camber plates user with the side extensions.
Yeah, that shit's hard. Damn, I need to do some mods to my shit is way too stock. Oh, that's cool. You put the CS thing?
Yes.
That's hard.
CS badge, because this car is a one-of-one CS convertible made by me. So everything is CS over here and more. And upgraded. Yeah, we have the carbon fiber wing, We have the M Performance full titanium exhaust with the full carbon titanium exhaust tips.
We want to race my GTR against it.
Let's do it.
I'm curious to see, guys, because this thing is fast. Oh, we got the red bolts.
Yeah.
That's what I want to do.
A Downstar's dress-up kit by Downstar by Frank. Carbon fiber grills.
That's just sick.
Yeah, we have the CSF top mount intercooler, CSF heat exchanger on the front. We have the CSF oil cooler on the bottom and CSF DCT cooler. We have the Muscleman oil thermostat.
So much done to this shit.
We have a forged build motor, so it's got forged rods, forged pistons, upgraded rod bearings, upgraded injectors. It's got port injection.
What the heck?
It's got port injection controller over here, as you guys can see. This is the controller right there. Stage 2 turbos. We have full E85 tune, stage 4. This is stage 4. Since I have port injection, upgraded turbos, and build motor, that's a stage 4 car.
So it's fast.
It's really fast. Right now, I'm safely pushing about 800 wheels safely.
What the heck?
Yeah, because I already blew 2 axles, so I'm trying to be careful until I get upgrade my axles. Then we're gonna push it over 1,000.
That'd be crazy. My favorite is the headlights, bro. That shit's so clean. I want to upgrade mine. That'd be sick. Anyways, today we're about to do some stuff to my car, so I can hopefully catch up to him with mods. What are we gonna do to my car?
Okay, so today we're gonna do the M4 CS transmission flush. We're gonna do the GTS suspension, GTS steering wheel, GTS stability control, GTS traction control, Euro MDM, full coating. So you're gonna have video in motion, folding mirrors, rolling up the windows from the key fob, rolling down the windows from the key fob, Rolls-Royce sounds, Windows lifter interruption delete, brighter halos.
There's so much coding you can do.
A lot more things, yeah.
Video in motion, I can watch movies?
Yeah, you can watch movies.
No way. That's crazy.
Yeah, because right now we're gonna do a software update on your head unit.
What the?
We're gonna do a software update on your head unit so you can run a full screen Apple CarPlay and Android screen mirroring.
Yeah, that's what I'm excited about.
Yeah, so if you want to do screen mirroring, your head unit will be unlocked, and then you're gonna be able to watch it when you're driving.
No way, bro.
Yeah.
I'll be able to do that today.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
I thought it was just CarPlay, but you're doing way more than that.
Everything.
It's gonna be sick.
Full package, man.
I said it in the beginning of the video, but if you guys need any coding done and stuff like that, or everything he just listed, he can do it, guys. He knows everything about these BMWs.
Yes.
And you have all the software, all that stuff, so
everything.
You'll see. Wait, so the GTS is gonna make it handle better too and all that shit?
Yes.
Or drive better?
Yes, it's gonna handle a lot better. You're gonna have better traction. You're gonna have better cornering. The steering wheel is gonna feel less frilly. It's gonna feel tighter.
Yeah.
And with the differential new software, you're gonna have better takeoffs.
So it's like the GTS tune. God damn, that shit sounds crazy, bro. Well, you guys heard him. We're about to do a lot to the car. That was a lot of information. I can't even keep up with all the stuff he's about to do to my car, but we'll see. It's gonna be sick regardless, so let's do it. All right, guys, so we about to start. What's next? What's first?
Okay. So right now you do have the iDrive 6, but your software is not up to date for the full screen CarPlay. So in order to have the full screen CarPlay installed on your head unit, you go to look at the controller. So you go to Map, Option, scroll the way down, scroll the way to Position, Software and Versions, and then Software Version. Then you're gonna see NBT Evo M like Mary. Anything under the letter N like Nancy towards the letter A cannot be able to have full screen CarPlay. CarPlay can only work on NBT Evo N like Nancy up to letter Y. We gotta do the software update. We gotta bring it up to NBT Evo X or NBT Evo Y, and then we're gonna be able to put the full screen CarPlay. So
Erez already got the coding going through. Said probably like 10 more minutes, but look, all the lights are on. That shit's scary. I don't know how he knows how to do this stuff. Guys, it's done. Look at the green bar means it's done. We're about to see the new update. Let's see how it is, guys. I'm excited. We finished. Look at this. Full screen CarPlay. Finally. Bro, that's a sick freaking little mod. So yeah, guys, if you guys need this done, it took a little bit, but gotta update the software, do all this other technology shit he did. And he did it, but yeah, that's crazy. Full screen CarPlay. We got all the stuff flashed out.
GTS transmission, steering wheel, suspension, EDC, light delete, Euro MDM.
That's crazy. So it should drive better too, guys. So that's crazy. We did a couple other cool things too, where like you lock the car and the mirrors fold. Like a bunch of random coding too. Oh, he's gonna show you. Look. Oh, there you go. Look. So as soon as you lock the car, like the windows went up, the mirrors folded. No way.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Everything from the key.
That's so sick. Look at that, guys. That was awesome. Shout out to Erez. If you guys need this done, hit him up. I'll leave his Instagram right here. And hit him up, guys. It's definitely worth it if you guys have an M4, M3, any BMW though.
Any BMW. So if you have an Android phone, any Android phone with Smart View, you're just gonna click on it, and then you're gonna be able to screen mirror your Android phone to here, so you can watch videos, YouTube, Netflix, anything you want
while you're driving.
Yes.
That's crazy. So I'm gonna have to buy an Android phone or something. We're out here in LA still. Today has been a long day. Today is the same day that you guys saw the Cars and Coffee at, when we got kicked out at. If you guys have not watched that vlog, go watch it. We literally got kicked out of Cars and Coffee, bro. They were cussing at me. They were like, you need to leave. Literally, bro, she said that. And then the mall cop was taking his job way too seriously. Go watch that vlog if you haven't already. It's the last video. But anyways, just met up with my homie Mark, my homie Kevin, and then one of their homies. Fuck, I forgot his name. I'm so sorry, bro. But he has a badass M5. I'll go show you his car right now. But damn, guys, look at Mark's F80. You guys saw Kevin's GTS in the last video? God damn. But this is Mark's F80. Not sure if you guys have seen it. I've showed it before on my channel, but it's freaking sick. Oh my God, I gotta see that. Bro, what the? I wanna film that.
He did the downpipes on his car, bro.
That shit's loud.
That's all he.
God damn.
Oh my.
That shit sounds sick.
Dude.
That's it, just downpipes, bro.
Tune or no?
Yeah, safe street.
Hey, but the way when it starts up,
just
you can hear the turbos.
Giving it gas when he starts it.
Bro, that shit is crazy. The turbos are so loud.
As soon as he rev for the first time.
M5 comp. Look at the interior, guys. Yeah, that is sick. That's badass, guys. Well, we got my F80. All right, I guess we're gonna go for a ride in the M5 comp, guys. Oh my God.
Bro, there's 4 of us in here too.
oh, that's the crazy part.
We're heavy ass fools too.
Bro, I'm the heaviest.
Bro, this thing's sick. Oh.
Hey, there's no stop sign. Just go.
Kevin's scared.
Yeah, just go.
Boy, that shit is scary.
I'm running gas. He's already at empty. Bro,
That shit
with
is
a full
fast.
tank today.
You gotta do 85.
I read it should be doing like 8, not to the wheel, but like 804, 805.
Sheesh.
All-wheel drive too.
With 4 people in it.
with 4 people and the biggest dude here. That's the crazier part.
Crazy.
I swear.
That thing's sick though. It sounds good.
Yeah.
That shit's
For
sick.
sure, I'm gonna do the intake.
And it's comfy too.
That was crazy, guys. I couldn't hear anything in the backseat. It was so windy, but it's definitely fast. Even with 4 people in the car's still fast. I believe it's a V8 twin turbo. I don't know. These tail lights. Should we do these? That shit's sick, bro. Anyways, Mark's car has a hella stuff done to it. Literally probably everything you possibly can do to an F80. I definitely need to look at his car and get some tips. I think those are the side skirts that I'm gonna get, guys. Oh, he's about to hit Kevin's car. The exhaust. Bro. Look how much louder his car is than mine. My shit is so quiet.
Sound like a GTR.
It does sound different, huh?
Yeah, the equal length mid pipe.
Ah. Your shit's loud too, huh?
Kind of, yeah.
Kevin's car is hella loud. God damn. But that's what I did. I couldn't stop in time, bro. Damn, that sounds good. But my boy's doing that on airbags too, guys. He has air suspension on the car. And it looks like his handling's still pretty good. I'm sorry the vlog is dark too, guys. My camera's not the best at night. Damn, that thing is so nice. It's like David's car, same color. David's car on steroids. Oh my God. Sheesh. So yeah, here's the hood. He got the new headlights, which I want so bad. You got the lip, a bunch of carbon fiber. These wheels are sick too, guys. But yeah, those are the side skirts I'm gonna get. See, I want burbles too. Yeah, that sounds good, bro. I like how you can hear the turbo spool too.
Yeah, if you
That
want,
shit sounds sick.
if you want the noise, it's the equal length.
That's what he was telling me right now.
Yeah.
Cause I told him, I was like, bro, it sounds like different. You can hear it.
Yeah.
Look at the wheels, guys. That's insane, bro. And yeah, it's also on bags. That's why it's a little messed up, but. White interior. I need my car this loud, guys. God damn, bro. I need an exhaust, dude. My shit's too quiet. I hate it. My car's way too quiet, guys. Look at it. You don't even hear it. It's not like a hybrid. Sheesh, the M3 though. Being around these guys though, they make me want to spend money, guys. I want the exhaust already. Damn, it's so sick. It just sounds sick. Oh my God, bro, Kevin's is loud. Kevin's might be the loudest one. Mark's looks so good with those wheels. Guys, we made it to the gas station. Wanted to go somewhere where there's better lighting so you guys can see the cars, but look at now you can see all the colors. Well, this M5 is actually crazy. Probably smoke all of us. Oh. Should we bag it? If you guys remember, I had my E92 on bags. We could do like the same setup as Mark. That'd be sick. He's legit on the floor. Like, I don't even think he can go any lower. Looks crazy.
You need bags to survive.
Should I bag mine?
Yes.
I know, I do miss having a bag car. My E92 was like that.
You killed it with the E92.
How many lips have you went through? A lot?
Like 7.
And you're on bags. So what the heck, bro? I know for a fact I'm breaking lips.
Drive, every time you get in it, you want to put it lower and lower and lower.
These are the ones I'm gonna get, guys. They stick out a lot, bro. That shit's sick. Yeah, they look hard. You guys want to follow Mark? Here's his Instagram right here, guys. Badass F80. He also has a YouTube channel too, so go watch the vlogs. Oh, this is sick, bro. He painted the wing. Little detail changes up the look a lot. That's crazy. Man, that shit nice.
And it's lower too.
That shit hella nice, bro.
Wow.
Big baller. Ferrari? McLaren? The C8, they do look like a supercar though.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.